I'll be showing you how to silence unknown callers on your iPhone. For this tutorial, I'll be using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these instructions should work on pretty much any iPhone. So go to Settings. On the main settings page, scroll down and find Phone. Tap on that. Under Phone, scroll down and tap on Silence Unknown Callers. So tap on that. And what you want to do is enable this option. So this option, as it says there, calls from unknown numbers, and by unknown numbers it means numbers you have not saved on your phone book, will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recent list. So you're not going to, this is basically not blocking, okay? So if it's a call, it's going to come through, but it's going to be silenced if the caller is unknown, okay? Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.